what I'll do now, once you make those changes, I can do it now, but I think after you make those changes, it'll be so
Yeah.
easy to promote you. I might just start telling every recruiter I know, like, hey, I got this project manager and she's really good. Also, you have open to work on here.
Mm-hmm.
I would take off junior project manager and project assistant.
Okay.
You are you are worth more than what they can offer you. Far more than what they can offer you. One being a creative project manager. My lady works at Logitech. Creative PMs make like $100,000 a year. I don't think a junior project manager role can offer you that. I
Okay.
don't think a project assistant can offer you that. You are not, in my opinion, an assistant. At a in 3 years from now, you'll have a project assistant working for you, and you'll be able to teach them. For you to get that experience, I would aim for more mid-level, senior level roles.
Mm-hmm.
So I would say project manager, creative project manager. Um, I make so many freaking job searches. I gotta get out of this because I'm making so many that I'm getting emails nonstop. Like,
Oh my God, LinkedIn
but let's
email.
make another. Let's do. So let's look at project. Let's look at
Take away
creative.
project assistant, take away like junior coordinator.
Yeah, I would aim for so let's look at creative project managers, what I just put in. Let's do mid to senior level. Um, let's do there. I'm assuming you would love to be remote.
Yep.
Okay, let's do remote. Let's add that. Um, Marketing operations manager is not remotely close to what we're looking for. Um, Say the past month. We don't really want anything at the time. Okay, so like if I were to look, so let's just I'm just gonna click through a few. Um, I was looking for something a little bit more like a startup or
I mean,
nonprofit, but
I'm not opposed to
yeah, I know. I was seeing if we can narrow it down, but I don't think there's a way to do that, like narrow down to either of those. Um, so I guess it doesn't really matter.
I feel like these are all filters that I don't even I'm like, do I have access to all these filters? This must be a
Oh
premium.
yeah, yeah, there you can narrow down a lot, a lot. You can even narrow down it in your network, which is good because then we can see like who do we know specifically that
I know,
matches.
but I'm like, I don't know if I have all those features because you have the premium.
Ah, because of
Like I
premium.
might have
Okay,
I feel like
okay,
I have some, but like maybe not all.
okay. So this Intersect Group. This is Intersect Group is a sourcing company.
Mm-hmm.
This recruiter, Chandler Jensen, we can go ahead and message like now and just be like, I can send her a note now. Let me see. How long has she been there? She's been recruiting for kind of quite some time, and she's newer. Like these are the type of people I aim for
Mm-hmm.
because they're not that experienced. Not trying to say I'm trying to take advantage of, but
Mm-hmm.
easier to get her attention
Yeah.
versus like
They don't
someone
have
who's a
crazy followings, not so many people messaging them all the time.
exactly,
Obviously, they probably
exactly.
get some people, but it's nothing like thousands and thousands of people.
And they're looking to build their name,
Mm-hmm.
right? So look, I can do something like this. Let me see. I never get this. I don't understand what this
Wait, what
means.
does that say? I can't even read
You
what it.
can message people who aren't in your connections,
Oh, okay.
and I have premium, so I can message 15 people. But I
Mm-hmm.
never use the 15. And it always says use one of 15. I gotta learn more about that. But Her name is Chandler. See, I don't have career coach on my profile. That would make it so much easier, but um, let me see. I think they're very specific on their name. It's the Intersect Group.
Oh wow. I'm like, how do you know that? Just by knowing?
Yeah, it's they actually got me my first, very first job out of college. I remember.
Oh
Um,
wow.
I, um, um, and I also have what's that thing called? What is this? Grammarly. It's not that good. I'm gonna be honest with you. Grammarly is like it's like how do corporate people speak and type is how
Yeah.
they want you to speak and type, and I'm really not like that.
Yeah.
Um, what's the name of this position? Project manager. 50 to 60 an hour. What are the skills? So you need, obviously you got that. Can you use Microsoft Office and all of these things?
Hmm.
Yeah, communicate. Like you have all of those things.
Yeah, wow, I'm like, you seeing all the things. I'm like, I did not be seeing those.
Yeah, yeah. Uh, yeah, Intersect Group is pretty cool. These people are awesome, and she's fairly new, so I think we can. Uh, mm, Came across a role. You, I'm gonna just say R because I don't know if she is. So I try not to be too direct, like with recruiters,
Hmm.
but if this is the if she was responsive, then that's great.
Hmm.
Um, she's responsive, then that's great. If she's not, then it is what it is. But something like that, that's essentially how I would do it. All right.
Okay.
Like if I was really interested in a role, if I could see the hiring team, I would
Hmm.
send them a direct message.